Hello everyone, welcome back to Advances in Perspective. Today, we're talking about the top 5 most used drones in the Syrian civil war. This conflict has been raging for over a decade now and has seen the deployment of various unmanned aerial vehicles. These drones have played a crucial role in collecting intelligence, reconnaissance, and providing surveillance support to the various warring factions. So, let's dive in and take a look at the top 5 most used drones in the Syrian civil war. MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper is an American-made drone that is one of the most commonly used drones in the Syrian civil war. This drone is often used for reconnaissance missions, providing crucial information to the various factions fighting in the conflict. The Reaper is also equipped with a number of weapons, making it a formidable threat to enemy forces. The MQ-9 Reaper is larger and more heavily armed than the DJI Phantom. It is equipped with a variety of weapons including Hellfire missiles and 500-pound bombs. In the Syrian civil war, the Reaper has been used to carry out targeted assassinations and to provide air support for ground forces. The MQ-9 Reaper is a powerful tool in the arsenal of the factions fighting in the Syrian civil war. DJI Phantom. The DJI Phantom is a Chinese-made drone that is one of the most commonly used drones in the Syrian civil war. This drone is often used for reconnaissance missions, providing crucial information to the various factions fighting in the conflict. The Phantom is also equipped with a camera, allowing it to capture high-quality aerial footage. DJI Phantoms are versatile and can be equipped with different payloads such as bombs, incendiary devices, and other explosive devices. In the Syrian civil war, this drone has been used to carry out targeted assassinations and to create improvised explosive devices. The DJI Phantom is small and lightweight, making it a favorite of those who want to use it for covert operations. BAE Systems Tyrannis. The BAE Systems Tyrannis is a British-made drone that is one of the most commonly used drones in the Syrian civil war. This drone is often used for reconnaissance missions, providing crucial information to the various factions fighting in the conflict. The Tyrannis is also equipped with a number of weapons, making it a formidable threat to enemy forces. The BAE Systems Tyrannis is larger and more heavily armed than the DJI Phantom and the MQ-9 Reaper. It is equipped with a variety of weapons including air-to-surface missiles and bombs. In the Syrian civil war, the Tyrannis has been used to carry out targeted assassinations and to provide air support for ground forces. The BAE Systems Tyrannis is a powerful tool in the arsenal of the factions fighting in the Syrian civil war.
The Parrot Anafi. The Parrot Anafi is a compact, foldable drone that has proven to be one of the most reliable and versatile UAV in the Syrian civil war. Its small size and lightweight design make it an ideal choice for deployment in harsh environments, as it can easily be transported to remote locations and launched in a matter of minutes. This has made it an indispensable tool for reconnaissance and surveillance missions, providing valuable information to military and humanitarian organizations alike. But the Parrot Anafi is not just any ordinary drone. It's equipped with advanced features that allow it to capture high-quality aerial footage in a variety of conditions. With its Sony 4K camera, it can produce stunning aerial images and videos that provide a unique perspective on the conflict and its impact on the region. The Anafi's gimbal system ensures stable and smooth footage, even in windy conditions, and its 180-degree vertical tilt camera provides an unparalleled view of the surrounding landscape. The drone's battery life is also remarkable, allowing for up to 25 minutes of flight time per charge, giving users ample time to capture the footage they need.
The RQ-11 Raven. The RQ-11 Raven is a small, hand-launched drone that has become a staple in the Syrian civil war. Its compact size and ease of use make it a highly portable and flexible option for military and humanitarian organizations, and its ability to fly at low altitudes and provide real-time video feed has made it an indispensable tool for reconnaissance and surveillance missions. Its user-friendly design and ease of control has allowed even inexperienced operators to quickly become proficient with its use, making it a go-to option for quick and efficient information gathering in the field. But the Raven's capabilities go beyond just reconnaissance and surveillance. Its small size and stealthy operation make it an ideal option for reconnaissance and surveillance in dangerous and hostile environments, where it can fly at low altitudes without being detected. The Raven's video feed can be easily transmitted to a ground control station, where it can be used to provide immediate situational awareness and support for troops in the field. The Raven's versatility and reliability have made it a highly sought-after UAV in the Syrian civil war, and it remains one of the most commonly used drones in the region to this day. So there you have it, the most commonly used drones in the Syrian civil war. It's amazing to see how technology has advanced to the point where unmanned aerial vehicles are now playing such a crucial role in modern warfare. If you found this video interesting, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to never miss a video from Advances in Perspective. Thank you for watching.